Dear students, Namaste, all of you. Today we are in day 14 of class 6. We are reading, as you know, we are reading the science. So, for that we have studied about many more things about heat and temperature. Today we are reading here, discussing here usage of heat, where heat is essential. What are the uses of heat? So see here, heat is used for cooking food. Heat is used for cooking food. We cook food with the heat produced by the burning fuels like wood, coal, biogas, LP gas, kerosene, etc. Okay? It is used for the cooking food. Our mothers and our sisters, daughters, isn't it? They cook the food. And it is possible due to the burning fuels, just with the help of this like wood, biogas, LP gas, kerosene, etc. Okay? Second point. Heat is required to keep our body warm. Our body warm. When we feel cold, at that time we require to feel our body warm. Due to the oxidation of food in our body, it is produced. When we eat food, when we take food, at that time, due to the oxidation, means when food goes in our stomach and with the help of oxygen, it gets oxidation. The food burns and it gets energy. Okay? Vehicles like buses, cars, motorbikes, etc. consume diesel, petrol and gas to produce heat. It gives energy to move the vehicles. As you know, we used to put the different fuels in our vehicles, just like petrol, gas, diesel, etc. And it burns in the engine and it gives the heat. And due to heat, it gets energy and vehicles moves. Heat is used for many other purposes like drying clothes, pressing clothes, etc. It also keeps the harmful germs present in clothes. Not only this, it is also used for the drying clothes and pressing clothes. And you know, while pressing the clothes, when shorts or clothes get pressed, at that time the harmful germs also killed by that. Item number, heat is essential to run the factories such as iron, cement, sugar, etc. When you visit the factories, just like iron factories, cement factories, sugar factories, then in that factories, in that plants, they gives more heat to produce iron, cement, sugar, like that. This type of things can be produced with a high temperature by providing high amount of heat. There will be that type of things produced. Dear student, understood? These all the points, they are uses of heat. More than that also you can find yourself. Okay? Any problem, dear student? Very nice. Very good. So, we will. So, dear student, we are here to know about temperature. So, we have finished the topic heat. Now, the next topic, temperature. Temperature means, you tell me, when we touches the pressing iron, what you feel at that time? You feel heat or very nice. When you touches the ice, then what you feel at that time? You feel cold, very nice. So it means that when we touches, our body touches the pressing iron, we feel hot. But when we touches the ice with our hand, we feel cold. Right? Okay. It means that from heat transfer to the cold, it can transfer to a cold, isn't it? So according to this, we can say the temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Hotness is the temperature is the degree of the hotness or coldness of a body. The hotness or coldness of a body. Okay? Oh, very nice. So the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. You have to remember this. This one. Its temperature, its SI unit is Kelvin. Other commonly used units of the temperature are Celsius. The Celsius, degree Celsius, and degree Fahrenheit. It indicates degree capital F. Okay? Degree Fahrenheit. It also its unit is Celsius or Fahrenheit. The thermometer of the temperature of a body is measured with an instrument thermometer. This thermometer use the temperature of the body. Okay? Use the temperature of the body. Any confusion student? First we have to understand the meaning of temperature. Temperature means the temperature is the degree of the hotness or coldness of the body. If anybody asks you, it is the degree of hotness or coldness of the body. Okay? Any conclusion, dear student? Okay, very nice. So, dear student, we have to know here about thermometer. Have you seen thermometer when you visit hospital while you take treatment? Okay. So thermometer is a device which is used to measure the temperature of a body. The device which is used to measure the temperature of our body is called thermometer. The thermometer construction, the construction of thermometer is based on the basic principle that substance expand. See, expand on heating. If the body expand on heating, when you heat the body and body get expand. Okay? Expand means continue and construct on cooling. Okay? Construct on cooling. Suppose you keep 1 liter water in freeze. Okay? When it get too much cool 0 degree Celsius, then it get converted to ice and it constructs. It get construct. Okay? And expand means when that ice get heat and it converted into water and it expand. Understood? Any confusion here? Very nice. There are two types of thermometer. Thermometer are two types. One is laboratory thermometer. Next one is clinical thermometer. This clinical thermometer we use when we get sick, and laboratory means used in laboratory. Okay? So this is the class, today's class, and next class I will meet the student. So I tell you, whatever you have studied here, you read once again your book and get the question or try to solve all the questions from the books or from exercise. Thank you, student. Namaste.